Welcome. If you want to custom your recall in League of Legends Wild Rift, at the first we have to click right here, then move for the personalization, and when we are in the custom recall, as you can see, we can change it. Of course, before that you have to unlock one of them. So there's a there's few very cool recalls that you can get. You can also buy it in the Power Store or the Simple Store, and we can also get the assets from the achievements, as you can see. So yeah, if you unblock one of them, you can simply enter and then just change it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.